everyone. It is Wednesday at 9:30. We're getting on a private plane today. I'm going to an exciting place for 4 nights. So come along on this journey. I've never been on one. I'm so excited. We just show up a half hour early. There's no TSA. We show our ID, give our bags. There's lunch. One of the most exciting trips ever. I can't wait to show you where we're going. How excited are you?
So excited.
Classic Services hangars what we're looking for when we get there.
Coco, not Coco.
Hog Island.
Coco.
And I sent you the tail number.
So if you're curious what it's like to fly on a private plane, we pulled in, they had our name on the security outside. It was a secure gate, secure building. We walked in, they had everything you would need: water, coffee, snacks. The bathroom was completely stocked up with everything you would need before getting on a plane. Then we went on. Landon, of course, had to check out the cockpit, as she does. She talked to the pilots. Oh, lightning fast.
We're going ridiculous fast.
Yeah.
We're going ridiculous fast.
The jet seats 9. I think that one couch might go down to a bed. So beyond this door is the toilet and sink. We thought it was like for a stewardess or something. My daughter sat back there and watched some movies, but you actually lift it up and there's a toilet. We had the absolute best time. There was Wi-Fi up there. There were chips and guac and crudité and a bunch of snacks that the catering had brought on. It was all delicious. No, there's like 2 or 3 more in there.
Yeah.
That looks yummy. Landon, are you eating a flower?
It's real.
A real flower? Holy moly. Pop it like it's hot. We have a private plane to ourselves. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that was close.
What?
I can't believe this is how people travel. Can you? Like Phil said. We popped some champagne, and behind the cockpit, which is weird because it's completely open, there is a bunch of snacks. So they had mixed drinks with mixers and vodka, tequila, bourbon. They had beers that were really good, white wine, champagne, Coke, sodas, sparkling water, Fiji waters. They had a ton of snacks. Landon ate her weight in Swedish fish and M&Ms and potato chips. I did not get a video of this because I realized it later, but there was a full-on Nespresso machine in there for coffee, and pretty much anything you would need for a quick flight was in there. Just an amazing way to travel. We were excited the entire flight, and it was such a special experience. So we are flying now over to Palm Beach, and we flew low over the Florida Peninsula, saw the Everglades, Tamiami Trail. It was absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to share the rest of the trip with you guys. As we landed in Palm Beach, we saw Trump's jet, of course, and then this was the coolest thing ever. Our car was right there next to the plane.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.